Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a wonderful opportunity provided by the Defense Research and Development Organization in the name of Dare to Dream 3.0 Innovation Contest by the DRDO. See guys, here every Indian above 18 years can participate in this contest. And I am requesting you to please participate in this one and please treat this one as a contribution to our nation guys. Why? Because here in this contest whatever the problems are there and you can able to select any one of your interested area and you may check down the challenges facing in that area, and if you are having the idea, so please provide that idea, or else if you can able to provide the prototype, you can able to provide the prototype. Okay, so it is every Indian, please take this one as a responsibility, and whatever the idea you are having, so please try to contribute guys. So myself also I am trying to contribute in this one, and here you are going to get the awards also. If you are an individual, then the first prize is 5 lakhs, second is 4 lakhs, and the third prize is 3 lakhs. And if you are a startup, then the first prize is 10 and the second prize is 8 and the third prize is 6 lakhs. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them, and please treat this one as a one wonderful contribution to the development of our nation. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this, in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I am conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. The present content of the video, so it is the official website of the DRDO, and I will provide this link also in the description box of this video guys. And here the Dare to Dream. Okay, so the great personality Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. And you may check down here, the objective of the Dare to Dream 3.0 is to provide the right platform to the nation's innovators in order to unearth and realize their disruptive ideas and the concepts in different disciplines of emerging technologies, possessing military and dual use identified by DRDO for enhancing the defense capabilities. Okay. So first we will see the eligibility criteria, and I'm requesting you to please watch this video until the end guys to get the complete details regarding this one. Otherwise you don't understand. So eligibility criteria, individuals can apply, startups can apply. Okay, and if you are not the startup, then no problem guys. As an individual you can apply for this one. And the eligibility is should be citizen of India above 18 years of age. Okay, so that is the eligibility criteria. And coming to the selection process, the entries received will be judged by a two-stage process. First one is screened by domain expert committee, and the next one is shortlisting and ranking by independent expert committee. Okay, so by this the selection process will be done. And the coming to the application process, applications to be submitted through online mode only, and I will tell how to submit through online. Applications to be submitted either in individual or else a startup category. Okay, mostly you are the individual, so of the individual. Okay, maximum of 4 members including one defined team leader can participate under the individual category. So if you comes under the individual category, your name has to register as a team leader, and apart from you can take the 4 members as your team maximum. And an individual having the startup may also apply and select the challenges for which you want to make the submission, and I will show you whatever the different challenges are there. So in which challenge you can able to give your idea for the betterment of that one, so you can able to select that one guys. An individual or the startup can apply for not more than 5 area of challenges. That means here the so many challenges are provided, you are supposed to maximum select 5 areas of challenge, not more than that, and provide a write-up for each and every challenge what you selected. Okay, write-up means you need to provide how to solve out the challenge. If you can provide the prototype also. Okay, so provide a write-up for each challenge selected, and you can also submit the attachments like PDF format less than 5 MB with more details for the submission. Fine, it is a way of application process, and few frequently asked questions are also there. So if you want, you may check down guys. Okay, and coming to the terms and conditions, and if you want to contact, you may contact them. And the contest areas I will show you at the end of this video. So coming to the prizes, as I already told that the first prize as an individual, you will get the 5 lakhs, and second prize 4 lakhs, and the third prize 3 lakhs. And if the starter meets, so these are the prizes. The starting date is 4th October 2021 and the ending date is 1st December 2021. Okay, so these are things. And while coming to the contest area, so I'm just clicking on this one, and then we will be directed to the what are the different contest areas are there, or else the challenging areas are there. So see guys, once check here: remote detection and protection of CBRNE agents, development of underwater communication system, smart batteries and self-healing batteries for military applications, defense on cloud, blockchain technology, IoT, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cognitive technologies for sensing and adaptation, and shockwave applications for defense, and innovative ideas for anti-drone. I mean, all of you know that recently the drone attack was happened, right? So what are your innovation ideas, okay, for these anti-drones? And the technology ideas for soldiers as a system, and non-line of sight optimal imaging. Okay, and the next one is open category, exploring the unthinkable and unimaginable. Okay, you can explore, fine. So in this one, few things are mentioned here, so if you want, you may please go through this one, guys. And if you want to go through the each and everything in detail, so here they provide what is the introduction, desired outcomes and expected benefits, scope of work, what are the recent trends, technology enhancement and improvements, what they are expecting, what are the challenges. Okay, see, classifying, identifying the nature of threats at a distance for activating the E1 protection system, accuracy of the hazard prediction software and low false alarm. Okay, and the applications are also provided here. So can you able to provide some idea or the prototype for these challenges? Not only for this one, here the different contest areas are also there, so you may check down all these things, guys. Okay, so I think it will be the wonderful opportunity, so please participate, okay, and contribute for the development of our nation, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, it will be very much helpful to them also, fine. And whatever the job requirement you are looking for, so please mention your job requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you need to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if you are looking for the personalized job consultancy, in the description box of this video I kept one Google form, so please fill up that form, okay, and then you will be directed to the online personalized consultancy. And how to apply here is that you have to log in. Okay, before login you have to register. Okay, after filling up all the details, and then go to the login and then provide whatever the things they are asking, guys. Okay, so and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,